Citing the former legal counsel of Gecom, DaSilva's filings in the recent voter verification case, retired Justice Claudette Singh, the chairman of the Elections Commission, sided with the government-nominated commissioners in refusing to extend his contract as the Commission's legal counsel. The Elections Commission defended its ruling, claiming that DaSilva had violated his role as Commission counsel by presenting fresh arguments that went against the Chief Election Officer's sworn position in the most recent voter verification case. According to DaSilva's 12-page letter to the Gecom chair, which Nightly News was able to view, the document was full of quote-unquote false and misleading statements regarding his legal submissions and professional conduct. The ex-Gecom attorney said he was surprised and disheartened to see such inaccuracies published with the approval of the Commission when the said body was fully apprised of his submissions in the case and never objected to the details in the document before they were tabled in court. And I quote, "You more than anyone are aware of the actual sequence of events and the lack of veracity in the allegations made. In fact, upon reading the press release, I reached out to you immediately to inquire if it originated from your office and to urge that it be retracted. I implore that it be replaced with a statement acknowledging the falsity of its contents. You even said to me that you would tell them to take it down. Unfortunately, no corrective actions have been taken." Unquote. The attorney said all of his pleadings and written submissions in the court matter were submitted to the chairman, the chief elections officer, and the commissioners long before they were presented in the case and before his job appraisal was concluded. He claimed that the information in his legal submissions could not have come as a surprise to Gecom because even prior to the case being filed, he had been informing the commission and the chairman about the problems with the electoral laws for several months. Recently, opposition nominee Charles Corbin expressed distrust in the Gecom chairperson amid her partisan decisions.
The chairman made the first recommendation to renew the contract. 3 commissioners supported her. There were subsequent submissions by other commissioners.
Desmond Trotman has echoed similar sentiments.
The European Commission was brought up to date with matters that have been taking place in relation to advancing the electoral process, and the Commission members are unaware of it.
Meanwhile, Commissioner Vincent Alexander stated that he and other opposition nominee commissioners must now determine what course of action to pursue.
We are not finite as yet as to what action will be taken.
So you're not definitive if this course would be afoot?
I don't know in the context of our legal architecture that an employment matter can be taken to court.
I'm Antonio Day reporting for the HGP Nightly News.